Good day, Cabanatuan City. Good day, Saiha. And welcome to Young Blood Chronicles. Imagine a comfort room so clean, properly managed to the point you can even sleep on the floor. Now, imagine it like this. Full of vandalisms, broken urinals, improperly managed that will bring you not comfort and joy but rather irritation and disgust. Well, that's just the case with the current restrooms at Honorato C. Perez Senior Memorial Science High School. One not caused by staffs, but by students, Silenians. In an interview with Principal Alberto Santos, he stressed that it was mainly the students who contributed to the improper management of Sci-High lavatories.
Hindi sila responsable dun sa sa pagiging estudyante nila dito. So sa halip na makatulong sila, nakakasira pa sila ng mga pasilidad.
Moreover, according to Santos, the school staff is continuously taking countermeasures to stop multiple vandalisms by students in comfort rooms, highlighting also the need for the overall students' participation.
Araw-araw ay minitin ko yung mga teaching natin utility na nangangasiwa para sa kalinisan ng mga CR at kapaligiran natin. So, pinaiikutan natin lagi ang mga CR natin at i-report agad ko ano ang problema, kung may sira man ito or kung may kinakailangan ayusin. So ngayon ay kung mapapansin ninyo, kinakampaign ko during flag raising ceremony ang responsable paggamit ng mga CR. Dahil unang-una, kapag nare-repair ito, gumagastos tayo ng pera ng gobyerno. At pag pera ng gobyerno, limitado yan. Pagka nagamit na natin yung repair para sa CR, sa susunod ay wala na. So ano mangyayari? Taon-taon magpaparepair tayo, nasasayang yung resources natin. So sana makatulong natin kayo ng mga mag-aaral na maging mabuting tagapangalaga ng mga pasilidad ng paaralan sapagkat ito ay kayo rin nagagamit.
The principal has reminded all school personnel to strictly monitor and tighten the management of all comfort rooms. Once again, I'm Julius Israel C. Aguilar, reporting for Young Blood Chronicles.